Hi guys, Mr. Price here. Today I'm going to talk about teenagers. Um, it's of my opinion that there's no living being on the planet that is more stupid than a teenage male. It's a fact. So, this one day at my store, three teenage boys came walking in, and I just kind of observed them walking around the outer edge. Well, one of the boys stopped at the feminine hygiene area and picked up the feminine deodorant spray and says, "Hey guys, do you know what this stuff is? This is what girls spray on their hoo-haws. This is what hoo-ha smells like, guys." If that's what they think those things smell like, they're in for a rude awakening.